Hey y'all, welcome back to NapturallyCoily. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today I'll be pre-pooing with the Amina Conditioner Bar by NapturallyCoily Cosmetics. It's made with coffee and other organic ingredients, and the Amina Bar strengthens hair from within, all while making it smoother and softer. If you did not know, coffee is extremely useful for treating dry, damaged, and unmanageable hair. The bars come in sample or king sizes, so head on over to www.NapturallyCosmetics.com to place your order. Use code NAYU, N-A-Y-U, for 10% off of your entire order. This is definitely easier in the shower with the section completely wet, but for the purpose of this video, I started with a spray bottle. But remember, the wetter your hair, the easier the bar will glide. I massage the product into my hair while increasing blood circulation in my scalp by making circular motions with both my fingers and by using the bar. And let me tell y'all, I absolutely love the smell of the Amina bar. It really smells like coffee. Hair washing is one of the most important parts of hair care, but it is unfortunately also when many persons experience a lot of breakage. The manipulating of the hair by combing, brushing, scrubbing, and rubbing plays a big role in this. But luckily, that is where Pre-Poo comes in. There are different regimens used in the process and definitely a plethora of products that you could experiment with. Pre-pooing also assists with the gentle removal of tangles and knots just in time for wash day. If done the night before, it helps to speed up the length of your wash day routine. And come on, who doesn't want a shorter wash day? If you have any questions about my pre-pooing routine and how or why I did certain things that you saw me do, be sure to comment below and I'll be sure to get you those answers. As y'all saw, my hair was dry. Approaching wash day, I didn't moisturize or really add any products beside water to my hair. The Amina Conditioner Bar brought my hair back to life by restoring moisture. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions or comments, definitely drop them below. I love interacting with you guys. Consider joining my Facebook group if you want direct answers and assistance with your hair care journey. I really appreciate y'all. Bye.